really cool just happened, look. So in there, that brighter one is an incandescent light bulb, and that red one there is actually blue LED, but look, it's burnt out, but it's on. That's so fucking cool. That's so cool how that LED's just glowing like that. Why is it not? I probably can only see it because it's not dark. Yeah, if it's on and off, don't pick up anything. Oh, look, there you go. Guys, something really cool just happened, look. So in there, that brighter one is an incandescent light bulb, and that red one there is actually blue LED, but look, it's burnt out, but it's on. That's so fucking cool. Why is it not? I probably can only see it because it's not dark. Yeah, if it's on and off, don't pick up anything. Oh, look, there you go. Guys, you ready? Still works. That's just a burning ember type thing, and it smells every single time it's on as well. LED. Still works, look. It shorts out, but it makes that glow. What that is, inside every single LED, doesn't matter which one that's made, right? They've all got tiny little thin wires which connect the semiconductors and the cathodes together and stuff like that, and little bits in the middle if there are any, if they're designed like that and stuff. In here, obviously got one that's sealed so well, oxygen can't get to it and it will keep burning bright, even though it's inside resin. It's surrounded by plastic. The plastic's probably what's helping it out. Oh yeah, just as I was talking there, it actually fizzled out. That LED went for ages. Yeah, the LED doesn't work anymore, but it did have a really weird instance there when it was working as a demon LED. Yeah. It's working as a bloody zombie LED. Like demon. Like a devil. That's so cool. So that LED was actually been one of these for a little while. Yes, I'm holding an incandescent light bulb in my hand, a tiny little one. Little sort of car light bulb type one. Car interior light bulb type one. This came in a similar thing to a fuse out of a test flight.